All right, question 23. You're asked to differentiate root 3x minus 2 over 2x cubed. All right, so you would have to use the quotient rule because you have an x expression on the top and one on the bottom. So the quotient rule states vu dash minus uv dash over v squared. All right, so we're going to have to prepare our u and v and u dash and v dash. So u is equal to the numerator, I've written that down, the square root of 3x minus 2, and I've written it down in index form so that I've prepared it for differentiation. And when I find u dash, I'm going to bring the half down, and so I put a half there at first, and then write down what's in the brackets, and then a half take away 1 is minus a half. Differentiate what's in the brackets, and the half that was there was multiplied by 3, so it became 3 on 2. All right, now v is your denominator, so it's 2x cubed, and v dash will be 3 2s are 6, 6x squared. Okay, now you're ready to use all this to substitute into the quotient rule. All right, so it was v, there's v. All right, I wrote down v first, and then I wrote down u dash, okay, which is there, minus u, okay, it's there, times v dash, all right? And I just cancel out the 2's, so do some cancelling as you go. All right, and it's all over v squared, okay? So if you square 2x cubed, you're going to get 4x to the 6. All right, so let's keep going now. We've done the main thing, now we just have to simplify. So you have the 3x minus 2 to the minus a half becomes the square root of 3x minus 2 back in the bottom, okay, put it back in the denominator, and then 3x cubed goes on the top, and then here you've got minus 6x squared root 3x minus 2, and that's what I've written. Put it over 1 because you're ready to simplify this as a single fraction. All right, don't forget, put it over v squared as well. All right, so then upon simplifying, this then is 1 times 3x cubed, you get it there, and then the root 3x minus 2 times root 3x minus 2 just becomes 3x minus 2, and don't forget the 6x squared out the front. All right, and the denominator is root 3x minus 2, so I put that straight into the denominator on the bottom because that's what it's going to end up. All right, so there it is there. All right, so all we have to do is clean this up, so expand it. All right, and upon expanding, right, 3x cubed minus, okay, 6x squared times 3x is minus 18x cubed, minus 6x squared times minus 2 is plus 12x squared. Okay, the bottom doesn't change. And then you can factorise the top. You've got a common factor of 3x squared in there, so take it out and end up with x minus 6x plus 4, and that will become minus 5x plus 4, which I wrote as 4 minus 5x. Okay, and then we have the next step. So I've just cleaned up that bit in this step. And you can also see that if you look at 3x squared and 4x to the 6, there's a common factor of x squared there, which we can cancel. All right, and if you cancel x squared, you're going to get x to the 4, and that would be your answer.